reducer. Orang.
Wag reducer. Wag reducer.
Wag na.
Reducer to what? The arowana is like a shredder. It's a bone full of teeth. It's a tongue that's full of teeth.
A big one, will it damage you or hurt you?
Now, let's say you put your finger inside the mouth.
Yan, ito lang. Antay.
We're creating a bigger filter system. We're adding another pump, check valve. The water will not mix. We're gonna have two pumps. The second pump will be there on the other side, the more stronger one.
Yang ano po, yang oxygen, ano po ilalagay?
Yung hangin. Don't do the light. Tsaka ang daming nagbabantay. Mga supervisor. I think so. We're finally filling the pond. Oh my God. After 4 days of no water, panglaw na nangyari sa'yo. That's our water supply. Ang hina-hina. But hopefully, it's gonna fill the pond. Bagong tanim rin yan. The pump is there. The new pump is installed. So, okay na rin. Nagbabalance ako, kaya magulo yung camera. If you wanna see, I'm balancing. Not exactly fill it up, but better than nothing. Ayan. Sige, okay na. Ayan, pwede na. Sige, pasok mo. Sud lang. Yan, mas okay.
Ito.
What the show the audience. Can you open it? I will show the audience. Yan. Naayos na rin no? Kasi rin. Gaano kataas? Yan. Ngayon kung aakyat pa rin yan, lagyan na natin ng bakal. Yan, on! Let's try to cut it. Ha?
Huwag lang isagad po. Ganito lang po.